We're in 2022 and trust me when I say you can't do without having a social media presence on all platforms. And definitely, you already have an idea of the power of social media and what has happened in 2020 due to COVID-19 and the lockdowns worldwide. We saw a great increase in online retail sales share of total retail sales from 16% to 19%. What a great boost that has happened to the e-commerce industry. Let me get to the point of telling you this: an online presence on social media boosts visibility to potential customers and clients who may not know who you are or what your business is all about. That means social media lets you reach a wide base of an audience. Of course, you have to know how to increase your social media engagement rate, in a simple and inexpensive way. In return, this builds awareness for both your business and you, and in turn, it will bring in sales. So what is social media engagement all about? Well, let me start off with the definition of social media engagement. An engagement rate is a metric that measures the amount of interaction social content earns relative to reach or other audience figures. Basically, it is the measure of how many people interacted with a social media post versus how many people saw it. In other words, it is the measurement of likes, comments, as well as shares. Note that there are a lot of social media metrics to measure social media engagement. Let's take a look at how to increase social media engagement rate. So, we can't just stop and wait for followers to take action, we have to encourage them. And I got you covered. Let's know how to increase social media engagement rate. First, start with analyzing your social media engagement. Count your number of followers, how many comments and shares you're getting on average per post, or the numbers that are meaningful to you. Also, you need to make sure to track your social media engagement regularly. Second, a great strategy is a key to increasing social media engagement. And for sure, you have to know that there's no one-size-fits-all solution because every company's business goals are different from the other, and subsequently the strategy will be. Some of your social media engagement goals, social media engagement posts might include developing new customer leads, collecting feedback about new products, changing public perception of your brand, and educating your audience with advice and resources. The main key to increasing social media engagement is getting to know your audience, so you can interact with them. Of course, the way you will approach a skateboarding company's audience will be different than approaching a gardening supply shop's audience. And knowing your audience helps you determine what social media sites to be on, when to publish, type of content, and brand voice. Now you're ready to go. You know your audience, how to approach them, and you have an outstanding strategy. The most important step to increasing your social media engagement is creating and sharing valuable content. Also, stay topical, keep the conversation flowing, show your human side, keep response time speedy, schedule smarter, and think beyond the feed. And finally, I can't keep away from you some of the social media engagement posts you can use, and those are asking questions, polls, spotlighting customers, testing their knowledge, encouraging your audience to ask you questions, custom stickers, or filters for Instagram stories.